Hey, this is Eric. I'm just tooling around the ISN Tool Dealer Expo in Orlando, Florida. I'm here at the Induction Innovations booth where they're doing paintless dent repair, demonstrating one of their newer tools. The cool thing is they're going to demonstrate how to do this, but you make a dent first, and I just want to make a dent in this door. So check it out.
We're going to go right here. So we got our dent here. We'll get this lined up so you guys can kind of see it a little better in the lines. But our dent is here, right? So we're gonna work that. It's kind of like your door dings, your paint, your hail damage that we see on cars. I got Miss Destiny here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, we got our wet cloth. We're gonna kind of clean the area first. Just to make it so she can see, and we're gonna control our temperature. Paint burns at 400 degrees. So we're gonna control it. So Destiny, you're gonna go right around that crown of that dent. You're gonna pulse your foot. So on and off, yep. You're gonna get a little bit closer and go right on top of that metal. So you're gonna start here, yep, then keep coming around that crown of that dent. You're doing great there. So we're gonna come more towards you guys, kind of work that circle right around the dent.
Yeah, I can see that dent from here. I mean, even without the reflector,
you watch, the cool part is you watch the metal underneath, that panel actually shifts as we're pulling the metal. So what this is doing, we're kind of pulling and stretching, right, to get that dent to lift up out of the panel itself. So you can see here, that quick time, even with just burst, we're already at 266 degrees. Well, so we got about very, very quickly. So we have about 140 degrees that we're able to play with. But rather than risk burning the paint and burning the panel, we want to make sure we're keeping it quenched, keeping it ready to go at all times.
So as you work around the dent, it draws, it kind of
correct. We're kind of pulling that metal, right?
Out, and then that
correct. And then when we that quenching,
out.
When we quench it then, and you can see we're starting to unsuck now, so we're gonna go a little bit wider out now, Destiny. So you're gonna come out right where my fingers are here and through there. We're gonna pull it a little bit further back this time, so we're gonna see if we can't get that metal to shift a little bit more. Now, this isn't the end all be all for when you're doing paintless dent repair. Sometimes you'll still need your picks, you'll need your glues.
Okay.
But this makes it a lot easier in a shorter amount of time that you're having to work with, right? Because when you're, even if you're just doing picks and glue, you're sitting there working. Well, we're getting to the point though, you can see this is getting even smaller as we came further out.
I can see that, yeah.
But she has it almost pretty much out. It's now sucked itself all the way back up.
That is
awesome. We can just work around that and work down the middle then.
Awesome.
So this is all done with our Inductor Max series. So our Inductor Max, that's actually where we started, was the collision side of things. So we've been making induction heaters for over 25 years, and this is just one of the extra applications that we're actually able to do with induction heat.
That is awesome. How cool is that? Just heat, tricks of the trade, and this is Eric, just tooling. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.